welcome back to another weekend vlog. I just got back from picking up Harper. Got to do a quick little hit plyo workout. Tonight is family date night. We're gonna be watching Turning Red and ordering pizza. Oh, do y'all see? Somebody got their nails done and don't know how to act. But you know, I just got them small, you know. I can't do the long nails. Not my ministry. So I guess once EJ gets off, we'll hit this workout and then we'll get into the weekend. Yeah. Get into the weekend. Yeah. Alright, plyo hit done. Y'all, I was listening to Will Smith's book and wound up falling asleep, child. I'm on the section where he's filming Ali, and I was really into it. So now we're gonna get ready for family date night. I need to take a shower because I just washed up this morning. I didn't shower last night after my workout. I just like freshened up. So I'm gonna shower and get comfortable for this family date night. And by the way, we're on week 6 of Moms Who Lift, phase 3. Y'all. I can't wait to do this program again and really focus on my nutrition. I also need to get the grocery list together for next week. I don't have to buy as much because I still have some stuff left from last week. But I'm gonna be on my chicken and rice and broccoli wave, switching out my proteins and my flavors. But yeah, trying to focus on a macro diet where 50% of my calories come from protein, then 30 come from carbs and 20 come from fat. So yeah, I'm trying to do better with my nutrition on this health journey. Got the workout down and the program down. Trying to get the nutrition so I can meal prep. Just gotta hone in my meal prepping. But I think that's all we're going to do today. So when we go out and prep, I'll take y'all along with us. All right, y'all, we got our favorite pizza, Marco's.
Shout out to Dave and Jazz for putting this on.
Yes, Dave and Jazz put us on. Like, we came down here so many times and never tried it.
And I seen it before. I was like, whatever.
Yeah, we were so stuck on Papa John's. So we got Italian sausage and pepperoni. And we're about to have our family time.
Oh, put the iPad down.
It's time for family time. Watch the movie. Turn it off.
Yeah.
And yeah. Turn it off, baby. The screen off.
Off. Screen off.
It's on the top.
Go off.
All right. Let's eat up. I think I might get me a ginger ale.
I don't know. Last time I was lying to you, but it's all been serious.
Oh, might give me a little Pepsi. It's smaller. All right, y'all. Here we are on Disney Plus. This is the movie we're watching. It just came out today, right?
Yep.
You excited? Got our pizza. Got our drinks.
I don't have no drink.
Go get a Capri Sun. About to get started. Now I can't eat dairy for like 3 days.
Can you even fix our plate? Oh, my bad. There you go. She got you. So you know when you wear heels? Yeah. Just like that.
Okay.
Yeah, just like that.
I thought I turned it down. All right, y'all. We are leaving the shoot. I'm tired. Sleepy tired. I slept in. It was good, though. It was fun. But, you know, once I'm done, I'll be ready to go.
I thought you was leaving. Then you was still there.
Because I felt like at that point I was invested.
I didn't want to know.
About to find somewhere to eat. Good morning and happy Sunday. We are headed into church. We're going to church with our friends, the Olivers. Y'all saw them on the Sweats and Soul Food Sundays.
Yeah.
So let's get it.
Soul
Harper. Oh, she thinks she's so cute. Service was very enjoyable. I enjoyed the praise team and the music. It was really good. It was a very good atmosphere. It was nice to experience something different than the church that we go to and attend on the regular. They had their children's choir sing. So this was like family Sunday because they were celebrating 7 years as a church. So they served us dinner after church. We had burgers. They had bouncy houses and stuff for the kids. So it was nice just to fellowship with our friends in a church environment and to also experience something different. And Harper also met another little girl named Harper. So they became fast friends. That was so cute. So just some moments of Harper playing with her friends and her bestie JaLynn. All right, y'all, just got home from church, as you saw. We had a good time.
We feel all right. Oh my God.
Oh, I put it in cinematic mode. Oops. There's EJ. Anywho, I have decided I'm going to take a nap and then I'm going to meal prep. So I'm heading upstairs. Gonna change it to my comfy clothes, which will probably be my Savage X Fenty onesie. And then I'm gonna get to meal prepping. But I gotta take a nap. Y'all, it's daylight savings time today, so we lost an hour. And I accidentally turned on my weekday alarm. So my alarm went off at 5:30 a.m. and I could not go back to sleep. That sucks. But that's where I am. So I will see y'all in about an hour or two when I'm meal prepping. Hola muchachos. So I gotta do one thing before I take a nap because something is going in the crock pot. So I want to go ahead and give it some leeway time. I'm making tostadas, salsa verde carnitas. So I have to sear the carnitas and then put it in the crock pot. So and before I even weigh this, I'm gonna put this plate up here and I'm gonna zero this out. So now it's 0 because something's up there. I only know that from working at Chipotle. All right, so that way I can have something to put the onion on as I chop it.
I'm gonna just relax before I meal prep.
I have to put something in the crock pot.
And then I said, I'm gonna go ahead and do it because I already was doing it anyway. So I just might as well. God!
Let's go ahead and sear.
I ain't had no spring tea in a long time. Here's some spring tea.
Sear it on all sides.
To God be the glory.
All right, I got my pork tenderloin seared on all sides.
Wow. That really happened.
It's popping. And then I have the green salsa, or excuse me, salsa verde, the garlic and onion already mixed into the crock pot, ready to go. And this, yeah, look at that. Ooh, roll that beautiful bean footage. And I'm gonna sit that in here. Okay, turn this off. So I'm gonna plug this up and we're gonna let this crock pot go. I'm just gonna do 4 hours.
Nah, man, do 8. That's 8 right.
If I do 6 hours, then that'll be 7 o'clock. Yeah. If I do 8, that'll be 9 o'clock. Cause this will probably be a dinner meal because it's a lot of moving pieces. So I'll listen to EJ. We'll do 8 hours. All right. So now I'm going to go take a nap. I will see y'all in a couple hours.
See y'all in a little bit.
But it'll be in a few seconds.
Oh!
I'm up. I didn't really sleep that much. I took an extended rest break. So my nap was over around 4:45. It's 5:51. So I was finishing watching this movie that I was watching while I was asleep. So now I'm just gonna meal prep. I started the carnitas as y'all saw. Firecracker ground chicken, which I think will be easy. I'm gonna do that first. And then, I didn't do that one. I have air fryer steak bites and I have some chicken and potatoes. So I was supposed to make last week that I'm gonna make for this week. Let's go. Let me check in with y'all. So I'm prepping another meal. It's the steak bites. I'm doing meal prep differently this week. I'm doing one meal at a time, not trying to do multiple meals, and it's working very well. So the steak bites are in the air fryer. I'm trying to cook them under so that when we actually warm them up, they won't be tough. And I am going to weigh them here to make sure that we each get equal amounts. So for this week's meal prep, I wanted to try something different. So like I mentioned before, I cooked one meal at a time, and then I also weighed out the different parts of the meal to make sure that we were consuming the appropriate amount of calories and I wasn't like overcooking or preparing too much food. And this went very well, and I plan on continuing this process as I meal prep. It really helps to make sure I don't cook too much food, and I also don't waste any food in the process. I'm back doing my last meal, which is breakfast. Cleaning up right now, loading the dishwasher. Meal prep went really well today. I don't feel like a scatterbrain. Like doing one meal at a time makes sense. Who would have thought it? Who would have thought? Because it's literally like scientifically proven that you really can't multitask. You really can't. But yeah, I'm cleaning up. After this, we're going to work out and watch Bel-Air. So I'll show y'all the workouts for that today. Still doing the Moms Who List program. Trying to get this post-baby body strong. Alright, I'll be back shortly. So this week we are in phase 3 of this program, and I have not weighed myself in weeks. I'm just focusing on the non-scale gains. I can see myself getting stronger. My muscles are getting more defined. I'm losing inches. I feel and look better in my clothes. I just love this program so far. I can't wait to see the end results and also to run this program back again. Hey y'all, worked out, ate, watched Tabitha Brown on the Terrell show. Now we're about to go to bed. It's late, but our bodies are adjusting to this new time. That's it for today's weekend vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. If you don't love me, please let me know. But wait till I get my money right.